Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody listening and watching.
Hello, Adrian. Hello, everybody else.
Karin, we are at that time of the year when the days are getting shorter. We don't get that much sunlight anymore. Temperatures go down, and many of us already think of the winter to come, freezing temperatures, cold winds, and so on. And this has an effect on many of us. We're no longer in the right mental space. What piece of advice would you give to those who struggle with the change of seasons?
Yeah, there is something that is called SAD, seasonal affective disorder. And this is a real thing. So, change of seasons really affect people. And there are some strategies, of course, and it's always related to mindset and how we think. So, for example, if you tell yourself the story, oh my God, winter is coming and it's going to be such a long time and it's going to be hard, well, then it will be hard. So, it's about finding something that you can enjoy about winter. I know many people come from warm countries, and obviously, when you live in Canada, it can be quite tough when the temperature go down far below zero. It's not an easy thing. But what I would recommend to feel better is like adjust yourself by simply get into the habit of doing a daily walk. 10 minutes is great for a start around the block, and then go up to 20 and possibly 30 minutes. This will already have a tremendous effect on the brain because movement, any kind of movement is good. Being outside is good. Now, what would be even better would be if you can get this walks in during daytime, which can be quite challenging for many people, but maybe during lunch hour. 10-minute walk, get into the habit. It's not good to stay at your desk and eat at your desk. So get into the habit of getting away from your office and start moving. Of course, there are so many other strategies that can be applied, but I honestly believe being outside and movement and getting some daylights are like really three of the most important ones.
So the easiest thing to do is to simply start walking. 10 minutes, 20, half an hour, whatever it takes.
100%. It's the most underrated exercise.
Right. And this was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.